Hey there, Amazon shoppers. It's Amy with 911 Studios. And today we are talking about some of our favorite fitness products. And you guys, I want to give a shout out to the New Balance Shockingly Unshocking sports bra. This is one of my all-time favorites. If you are a more full-chested woman, you know that sometimes the hardest part about exercise is not the exercise itself, it's finding a sports bra that is comfortable and is going to allow you to do all of your favorite activities. This one is definitely one, and I love it. I love that the straps are in the front. They're just really convenient to adjust, and these straps are actually Velcro adjusting, so they're really comfortable, really highly adjustable. This is one of the only sports bras that I've found that keep everything in place and comfortable, but without like just strangling my rib cage. I think a lot of times sports bras just have way too much compression and they, keep everything down, but it can be really tight on your rib cage and really uncomfortable. That's not the case with this bra. It manages to be supportive where it needs to be without being too restrictive where it shouldn't be. The straps are pretty thick, and so they really carry and distribute the weight across your shoulders and across your back, so you're going to be really comfortable. I find that I like wearing this not just for sports or running. I wear this bra all the time for everything because it is just super comfortable on my back. I really like this one. I love the fabric. It keeps me cool, it keeps me dry. It comes in white and black, I believe. Both are great options. You should probably pick up both because you're going to love this.